Hi, this is Unat from Bluevium. The purpose of this video is to quickly show you how AgentForce can help reps with coding. For this demo, I'll first walk you through how our bundles are structured, and then we'll ask the agent to create similar code for us. I have a code already generated for a account called as San Jose Police Department. Within this code, I've already added the structure. Let's go and review it. I'm going to go ahead and click on configure over here. Over here, you'll notice that we've set the deployment location to 25, which basically trickles down to your LPR cameras, your audio detection and add-ons as well. So these are the add-ons that we already configured within the code. Similarly, I've also added installation and support plan. Notice that there is a gear icon besides each of those, which basically means that there is an attribute. So let's say if I wanted to change an attribute for installation, I could go into this gear and switch it to, let's say, expedited if I wanted to, right? The other way to kind of handle this is on your right-hand screen, you'll also notice that a blue highlighted icon over here, which basically means that this product has an attribute that you can change. Currently, this is set to standard. I could click on this icon itself and change it to expedited, and then you'll notice the change being reflected here right away. I've also added the software for the safety platform as well over here, right? Now that we have code generated or we're familiar with the bundle structure, let's go and ask agent to create similar code for us. So I'm going to navigate back to opportunity. So we'll use same opportunity in this case. I'm going to fire up my agent by clicking on this icon. And once the agent has been fired up, I'm going to ask it to create a code for me, right? So I'll say create a code for 20 or let's say 30 LPR with 30 or 3-year subscription. Okay. Now the agent knows that we're in the context of this opportunity. So it'll basically go ahead and create a code on this op for us. It'll add LPR cameras. Notice that LPR cameras was part of Enterprise Security Platform bundle. So it'll automatically create that bundle structure, add that LPR camera underneath it, and make sure that the quantity is set to 30 for us. Anything during this configuration, if you set some of the options within your bundles, then those will be created for you as well automatically. Okay. You'll notice that the code has been generated for us. I'm going to click on this link to see the code being generated. If I close this window, you'll notice that as I was talking through, the bundles created, there's LPR camera with quantity 30. You'll notice that the term is set to 3 years, which we asked for. And then because the subscription is part of this particular package, it was automatically added, even if I didn't ask the system to do it, right? Now, let's say we want to add additional add-ons to this particular code, right? I don't want to go through the configuration. I'll basically ask my agent to say add video add-on on this bundle. Now, what we are asking the agent currently is we're saying, go ahead and add video add-on to this particular bundle itself, right? Instead of adding it as a standalone product, it needs to add it into that particular bundle structure. Also notice that because we've added video add-on, because our LPR is set to 30, the system automatically knows that it needs to match the quantity with your LPR cameras itself. So you see that 30 quantity within video as well. Similarly, I can also add audio detection on this bundle. So this is basically us asking the agent to add both of those add-ons. You could do it as a single prompt if you want to. In this case, we're just showcasing you that you can do it 2 different times, or you can give any prompt to kind of add those structures. Notice that audio add-on got added. Same thing in this case, the quantity got updated to 30 as well. Okay. Now, what we want to do is if I go to, let's say, this LPR camera, notice that there were 2 attributes that we were reviewing, right? In this case, the power source is set to AC and the deployment type is set to intersection. Let's say we want to change that, right? We want to change power source to, say, solar and deployment type to, let's say, school. Okay. So I'm going to open up my agent again. I'm going to add my prompt to say that make the LPR camera as solar power source and then add it to school deployment type. As I do this, now the agent knows that it needs to find those particular attributes. Once the attributes are found, it is going to go and make those updates. So if I now go back to my LPR and look at my attributes, you'll notice that it got updated to solar as we asked it to do. And then the deployment type also got updated, right? Similarly, I could ask the agent to update, let's say add installation package on the bundle as well. So let's say I want to say add installation on this bundle. So there's a product called as installation package that we're selling as an add-on over here. When this happens, notice that I gave a very generic keyword of installation. It found out that there are two products within installation. What do I want to add, right? So I'll just pick installation package. Anytime you have multiple products found by agent, it is going to ask you what to select, right? Just to make sure that it doesn't add anything in random for us. So other thing that you do want to notice over here is as I added installation package, support plan kind of gets added alongside it. Alongside with this is a rule that we've kind of set up within the system. So, automatically the agent knew it and it automatically added that configuration for us. Now, let's say we want to add some discount, right? Let's say I want to give 20% discount all across. So I'll say add 20% discount on the entire code. What this does is it provides a global discount of 20% across all the line items on all lines. You'll notice that the discount got applied on all the line items. If you take a look at this, all the line items got 20% discount. Now, let me go ahead and add another prompt that says, just for the support line, we want the discount to be 25%. Right? Now, when I say update the discount to 25% only for support, now it's basically going to look at this particular context to find out which product is support this particular keyword refers to, and it'll basically adjust the discount for that particular line item. So if I navigate back over here to the code again, notice that for the support plan, there's a discount of 25% that got applied based on the prompt that we provided. Thank you again for watching. Let us know if we have any questions, if we can help with anything else.